Top 5 Best Breakfast Foods to Help You Lose Weight Naturally at Home. Want suggestions for a wholesome breakfast? Try one or a few of these 5 healthy breakfast foods that promote weight loss to spice up your morning meal. Having a good breakfast can aid in weight loss, energy maintenance, and appetite control. According to research, those who regularly eat breakfast tend to be slimmer and are more successful at losing weight and keeping it off. Moreover, breakfast eaters often consume more fiber and vitamins than non-breakfast eaters. A protein-rich, complex carbohydrate-rich, fiber-rich, and healthy fat-rich breakfast should keep you satisfied and well-fueled for the rest of the day. You don't need to look any farther if you're wondering what to eat for breakfast to promote weight loss. Continue watching to learn about some of the healthiest foods you can eat at breakfast to aid in weight loss and why they are so beneficial. The 5 best breakfast foods to help you lose weight. 1. Raspberries. More than twice as much fiber as in a cup of strawberries and roughly the same as in a cup of some varieties of beans, 8 grams are present in a cup of raspberries. What makes all that fiber so fantastic? Eating extra fiber may help prevent weight gain or even support weight loss, according to recent research published in the Journal of Nutrition. The researchers discovered that increasing fiber intake by 8 grams for every 1,000 calories led to a weight loss of approximately 4.5 pounds throughout the duration of the 2-year trial. 2. Oatmeal. Can oatmeal aid with weight loss? Of course it can. There are 2 ways that oatmeal can aid with weight loss. First off, the high fiber content makes you feel fuller for a longer period of time. Second, a 2016 study found that consuming a breakfast that contains slow-release carbs, like oatmeal or bran cereal, 3 hours prior to working out may aid in fat burning. How? Consuming slow-release carbohydrates reduces the blood sugar increase that results from consuming refined carbohydrates, think white toast. Thus, the surge in insulin levels is reduced. Lower blood sugar levels may aid in fat burning because insulin is involved in alerting your body to store fat. 3. Yogurt. The top 5 foods that encourage weight loss were also identified by a recent study that was published in the New England Journal of Medicine. There was yogurt among them. Yogurt's protein content may provide you an advantage if you're trying to get leaner, which is another reason to eat it. Because it takes longer to digest than simple carbohydrates, protein is naturally full. Over the course of 6 months, participants who drank whey protein drinks shed around 4 pounds and an inch more from their waists while also feeling less hungry than those who drank carbohydrate shakes. Protein is full and takes longer to digest than simple carbs, including the naturally occurring whey protein found in yogurt and other dairy products. By selecting plain yogurt, you can cut calories and added sugar. For sweetness, incorporate fresh fruit. 4. Peanut butter. Protein and fiber in nuts help you feel fuller for longer and aid in weight loss. That's probably because all nuts and nut butters, including peanut butter, provide adequate amounts of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Due to their high fat and calorie content, nuts used to have a negative image. A satisfying breakfast can be made with nuts and nut butters, which are calorie-dense but also high in nutrients. For example, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter has just under 200 calories, 7 grams of protein, and 2 grams of fiber. For a balanced supper, try adding nuts or nut butter to your oatmeal or spreading a tablespoon or 2 of peanut butter on whole wheat bread, another slow-release carbohydrate. 5. Eggs. A big egg offers 72 calories and 6 grams of protein. When compared to fat and carbohydrates, protein helps you feel fuller for longer. According to one study, participants who ate eggs for breakfast experienced longer feelings of satiety and lost more than twice as much weight as those who consumed the same number of calories from bagels. Also, While only consuming egg whites can help you cut calories, you'll lose half the protein. The yolk contains roughly 3 grams, which makes eggs a potent choice for breakfast. Moreover, the yolk is a good source of calcium and the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect the eyes. A large amount of dietary cholesterol comes from eggs. However, more recent study indicates that dietary cholesterol may not always be detrimental to heart health, and scientists believe that most individuals can safely eat one entire egg each day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.